Hey everybody, it's Dave from Jack's. Thanks for ordering these great fresh Florida stone crab claws. First of the season, kind of the only of the season coming out this way because of what we're all going through. Here's the best way to eat these. You take the crab, you put it in a napkin in your hand, or you hold it in your hand. You take a thick tablespoon or a kitchen spoon and give it a crack. Flip it over, do the same thing. And the shell comes off, the meat comes out. You got to work at these things. Don't go digging into these claws. Stone crab, very thick, very non-forgiving claw. So you want to get into them. You also want to crack that knuckle meat. Lots of good sweet love in there. You flip it over, do the same thing on that side, and then you can pick at it and get in there. You can use a steel for sharpening knives. You can use an ice cream scoop. You can use a meat cleaver. I will even sometimes use my shoe, but that's just me. But you got to dig in and get dirty and get after it and be safe because they'll cut your fingers. And there's some good mustard sauce from Joe Stone Crab in Miami, which we've been using at Jack's for 25 years. Enjoy these crabs. They're really fresh and really delicious.
Yay!